Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel once again. I hope every single one of you are okay, staying safe at home and wherever you may be in the entire world, planet, and wherever. You guys must be safe. But before I start the video, I would like to tell every one of you all to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, go and like it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. For those new subscribers who subscribe to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I am very appreciate, and keep on subscribing to my channel, share this video to everyone. And today is a good day. I'm going to do, in my hand I have something special. It's mini Magdalene's traditional sponge French cake. Bonjour. Let me show you all. This is it. I'm going to try it and I'm going to tell you all how it is, because I bought it from the store. I was passing by and I saw this and they said, "Hello, come and eat me." So I'm going to do a taste test. So before I show you all, I'm going to open it. Oh my god. Oh, it's open. It is open. I never tried French food before. But it's the smell of a cake. Long time I never eat cake. I'm going to eat it and show you all. Here it is. Here is the cake. I'm sorry, but it's how do you say, it's squashed already, but I'm going to try it. But before I try, I can smell the cake. I'm going to show you all how it is. How does the cake look? 3, 2, 1. You may see the cake now. So guys, wait. Before I show you all the cake, before I eat, I would like to everyone of you, this is not a sponsored video. No one is sponsoring me to do this video. No one. So for those who want me to do taste tests or whatever kind of videos, email me. My email will be down in the description. Email, and I'll do it for you all. Okay. But don't forget, no sponsored video. I'm doing it from passion of food. Okay. I'm going to take back the cake and show you. Okay. This is the packet. This is the cake. See the cake? See the packet? See the cake? See the cake. So guys, I'm back with my cake. I have 1 cake, 2 cake, 3 cake. I can smell the cake, but I'm going to try at least 1 cake. Okay? Because I don't want every one of you to be hungry. But I'm very hungry. So I'm going to take 1 piece of cake. 1 piece of cake. 1 cake. And I'm going to eat it. But before that, just in case, I have water. In case it's not nice. Back up. Okay, let me try it. Are you ready? Like this video. What's up? Okay. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Why are you guys not happy? I'm going to eat it and show you. Okay. Relax. Let me eat and show you. Okay. Bon appetit. Typical cake, but French. Woo! Delicious show. How do you say? Delicious show. Magnifica. Okay, I'm going to take a last bite and I'm going to give you a last feedback. It's not good. Man, it's okay. Something new. Not a normal cake. But you can feel something. How do you say? Got sweet, got cake taste, and got French. Got sweet, got taste, and got French. I am a Frenchman now. Bon appetit. Bonjour. Magnifica. So guys, overall I give this. Let me take 1 more cake and show you up, because I'm not happy. I'm very hungry. On my cake. Ah. I don't know what to say. I like it. I love it. I love it. I am French. I'm not Malaysian now. I'm French. So, overall, I give the cake. It has a new taste inside. Not a normal cake. Overall, I give the cake 9 out of 10. Highly recommended to everyone, musicians, to go and eat, or whoever not French, to go and eat. You'll be French in 1 minute. I'm French now. Hello, bonjour. So, I give the cake a 9 out of 10. Go and try a French cake, but be French. Very good. Oh. Interesting cake. Interesting. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my video today. And get a French cake. Try it. And let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'm still hungry with the cake. And if you haven't watched my previous video, go and watch it. And follow me in my Instagram, somewhere here. And my TikTok, somewhere here. One of this place. And have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to wear a face mask. And say I love to smile. And enjoy your food, guys. Because we human beings, some of us, we don't appreciate the food. We throw it. Don't throw your food. Eat it. If you can't even finish it, give it to someone else. Ask them to eat it. Because some other countries got no food. So be happy you have food. You have something to eat. And you are blessed. Have a nice day, guys. Okay? Bye. Bye.